So here's this gasoline pump. It looks like this. Okay, here's an arrow that shows that the fuel enters on this one. So let's see, the pump was here. Okay, and the fuel enters on this one, enters here, and then goes into that valve, and that valve can be opened from the top. That means that when this is pulling down, it will suck this valve down, it will open it, and after it's opened and the fuel is inside here and this is down, this will come up. So this is moving, and when it's coming up, it can't enter this valve from the bottom, but instead it will enter through this one. It will enter through that one, and one part comes out here, and that, let's see, this was here and this was here. Okay, and that's the fuel tank. Let's see, here it is. Here it is, the fuel tank. So the fuel is sucked out from this tube into there. From here it enters there, and after this membrane rises, it's pushed through a smaller hole here. That is the return line, and the larger opening, this one, that goes to, in this case, to this electro valve, because the car has an LPG system also. This is the vaporizer. So the gasoline is pushed out, passes through this valve when it's set to gasoline, goes through this tube into the gas filter and into the carburetor. This gasoline filter should be somewhere here, and it's not in the right place, so it should be here, because when the fuel is sucked through this line, it should be already filtered so that no dirt could enter the fuel pump. And that's it in a nutshell. Here it is, another filter. This filter was here, and that is already filtering the fuel. So when the fuel comes through this tube, it enters in the bottom section, passes through this filter and enters that opening and passes through that valve. That valve is a one-way valve. It can be opened only from the top. And here's the other valve that can be opened only from the bottom. And it had a cap with a longer screw, something like this, was on top, and it was here. And that's the mechanical fuel pump on this old car. Okay, that's it. Thanks for watching, and bye bye.